Well, jet teams arrived in Pasco yesterday for the HAPO over-the-water air show this weekend. Planes from different eras will be on full display over the Columbia River.
This F-35 aircraft, the F-16 is going to be flying, the A-10, and then we'll actually do a heritage flight. So all three of those aircraft will fly with a P-51 Mustang, showcase that, the past, present, and future of aviation.
We are an event that's been going on since the mid-'60s every year. The excitement that is generated by the F-35 being here and the other demo teams being here is palpable. People love seeing what their military can do, especially the latest and greatest technology.
You definitely made my year.
Oh, yeah?
Best.
The F-35 demo was awesome out here in the Tri-Cities. It's so cool they got to come out here and perform. Bayo really sent it yesterday. It was awesome. If you guys haven't checked them out, make sure you do. If you ever get the chance to see them, I highly recommend it.
We cannot wait to see you shred the skies over the Tri-Cities.
One of the best demos you will see out there.
Getting a sneak preview of this weekend's big show in the sky over Fort Lauderdale Beach.
And there have been some changes because of COVID, of course, but pilots who will be performing say you'll still get to see plenty of jaw-dropping aerial maneuvers. Let's go to Local 10's Ian Margol, who has more.
This weekend, the Fort Lauderdale Air Show is back in town, and as so many things do in 2020, it's going to look a little bit different this year. They are back. Some of the coolest, most exciting planes you will ever see are in town for the Fort Lauderdale Air Show this weekend. Headlining the show are the military jets, the F-16 Vipers, the F-22 Raptors, the A-10 Thunderbolts, and the brand new F-35 Lightning, led by Captain Kristin Wolfe, who goes by the call sign Bayo, and who is the first ever female demo pilot for the F-35s.
But it's cool to have little girls on the road come up to you and say that they didn't know females could be pilots, or but really any minority we're hoping to represent and just show them that anybody can be in this airplane, and the airplane doesn't know the difference. And so hopefully we can show off a great demo, but also for them just to know that there's a female in the cockpit is pretty cool.
Captain Wolfe will be joined at the show by a crew of other Air Force members, including Senior Airman Malik McKenzie, a Nova High School grad whose father actually sent us video of him at the very same air show as a little boy.
It's honestly just super exciting, honestly, just to be able to just tell people, I used to come to air shows as a kid, and now right now I'm partaking in the air show. I'm part of it.
It's all going on Saturday and Sunday, and you definitely want to get your information ahead of time, get your tickets ahead of time. We have everything you need to know at local10.com. In Fort Lauderdale, I'm Ian Margol, Local 10 News.